तो नमस्ते भाई और बहनों, welcome back friends. We had a wonderful closing for the Nifty, Bank Nifty on Friday. Dow S&P भी अच्छे start हुए, good start. But just within little time you saw that around 10:54 a.m. President Trump put a post saying that China has adopted an aggressive stance and is taking the world by ransom as far as rare earth policy is concerned. Just 2 days before, China announced that the people who are importing rare earth would require a special export license. All this was not taken well by the United States, and they have now decided to impose 100% tariff on all goods coming out of China beginning November 1. Stock markets reacted. You saw the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq close sharply lower. $2 trillion of investor wealth was wiped out in just a few hours, immediately after President Trump's message on Truth Social. And I would say that what President Trump did was right in a way, because the deal had already been struck with China regarding rare earth minerals. So once again, China putting export controls on the rare earth was something that was not necessary. Okay, so what President Trump was a natural reaction, and we find that the markets, not only the stock markets, but the cryptocurrency also fell sharply. And right now, since you know cryptocurrencies work across the week, they're still down. Friends, the situation is little grim. Again, another trade war has started, दोनों के बीच में. But if you recollect several months back, I told you that the last 3 months of 2025 will carry market sharp movements, upside and downside both. You've seen a sharp rise in most global indices to their all-time highs. But you have also seen a good reaction that came on Friday. It showed that whenever risk off comes in the global markets, the markets will fall sharply. That is exactly what we saw. To take this argument further, I think that a spell of a correction in world financial markets cannot be ruled out. It is coming, and coming sooner than you anticipate. The AI-related story is here to stay, but the valuations of many artificial intelligence-related stocks, the Magnificent Seven in the United States, have gone at an exceedingly high level. Gold and silver as precious metals have been doing extraordinarily well. Of late, silver has reached a very high level. It's all-time high. But many people think that when the risk off come, gold, silver will be saved. People will rush into precious metals. But I have a little slightly different view here also. I feel when the world financial markets fall, then you will see gold, silver also lose their sheen, because there will be margin calls on the stock market. And to pay for the margin calls, people may want to sell the assets in which they are making profits. And precious metals is one asset class that people are making tremendous amount of profit at this point of time, whatever rate you may have entered into. So it's not going to be so simple. There will be issues even as far as precious metals are concerned. Now, therefore, a correction in world financial markets and world commodity markets and precious metals cannot be ruled out. To get to know more where we are headed from here, do join our premium value using our wonderful discount offer. You can WhatsApp us on 9820861044 and be a part of our mission to spread literacy. We advise and recommend based on our logic, our analysis of fundamentals and algorithms where the markets are headed, the stocks, the commodities, precious metals. To join Premium Value, do WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Namaste and look forward to talking with you. Take care.